Welcome to the video tutorial on how to boot from a USB drive on an ASRock motherboard. Before following these steps, make sure you have a bootable USB drive. It can be a USB drive to install the operating system or a USB drive used for rescue. While starting the computer using the ASRock motherboard, press the delete or F2 key repeatedly. After completing access to UEFI BIOS, go to the boot menu. Here you change the boot order on the ASRock motherboard. You set up the computer to boot from the USB drive. Once completed, save your changes and exit UEFI BIOS. Above are the steps to boot the ASRock motherboard from a USB drive. Thank you for watching. Good luck.